Yo, what's going on, guys? Back with another video. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make an April Fool's video. So let's just get right into it. So the first step is just opening your editor of choice and just adding some random gameplay for the background visuals like this. After that, you gotta make the gameplay look sad. So just add a grayscale filter and add some excessively sad music like this. Then just put some text onto the screen saying like, "Oh, I'm quitting YouTube, guys," and make it flash so much that it's annoying like this. Finally, just add a voiceover explaining some random reason for quitting like this.
Hi guys, I'm back. So today, I have an announcement to make. I'm going to be quitting YouTube because...
And after that, all that's left to do is just exporting your video like this.
So I hope you don't mind that. Yeah, and hopefully you can go bother some other creator or something. I don't know, so yeah, bye.
So I've just finished exporting it as example.mp4 as you can see here. So without further ado, here's the final result.